To set up a Venmo tip jar, start by downloading the Venmo app and creating an account if you haven't already. Once you have an account, navigate to the Settings menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From there, select Account Settings and then scroll down to the section that says Payment Methods. Next, click on Add Payment Method and select Bank or Card to link your payment information to your Venmo account. This will allow you to receive payments, including tips, directly into your account. After linking your payment method, navigate back to the main screen of the app and click on the Scan button in the bottom right corner. Then, select the Create a Code option and choose the tip jar option from the list of available code types. You will then be prompted to set a name for your tip jar and a suggested tip amount. The name should be something that clearly identifies the purpose of the tip jar, such as a business name or a personal name. The suggested tip amount should be a reasonable amount that you think customers will be willing to pay, such as $1 or $5. Once you have set up your tip jar, you will be given a unique QR code that customers can scan to leave a tip. You can display this code on a sign or on a device at your place of business, or you can share it with customers directly. To make the most of your Venmo tip jar, be sure to promote it to your customers and let them know that it is an easy and convenient way to show their appreciation for good service. You can also offer incentives, such as discounts or free items, to customers who use the tip jar. By following these steps and promoting your tip jar effectively, you can increase customer engagement and boost your earnings.